Tutorial for the tornado box. So of course you need a box. It can be waterproof or not. Now you need to cut a hole on top of the box for the fan. You need 2 fans, one for the rotation and one for sucking it up. You will also need vapor, so I recommend using a humidifier or a fog machine. You will also need a pipe for the vapor to go in the box. You will also need lights since the vapor is kinda transparent. Doing all that steps you will make a tornado box. The decoration is your choice. Thanks for watching, and I will try your ideas from last video. Bye.